Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of creating your very own UDP custom server using an SSH SSL tunnel website. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Step 1. To get started, open your preferred browser and head over to the SSL SSH tunnel website. Once you're on the home page, locate the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and give it a click to proceed. Step 2. Navigate through the menus and find the SSH UDP label. Click on it, and on the next page, hit the Next button to continue with the setup. Step 3. Now you'll need to choose the duration for your server. Select your preferred duration from the options provided, and then click on the Create button to move forward with the process. Step 4. Next, pick a location for your server from the list of options. Once you've made your selection, click on Create Account to initiate the server creation process. After the server is successfully created, make sure to copy the server details and save them on a notepad for future reference. Step 5. If you're unsure about how to use your newly created UDP custom server on HTTP custom, I've got you covered. Check out the link in the video description below for a step-by-step tutorial on that. Conclusion. And there you have it, your very own UDP custom server set up through an SSH SSL tunnel website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.